Hey guys, welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. Today we are going to be showing you a 1972 Pontiac GTO. Now, this gorgeous gold car is a real 2D 37 GTO. So it is a real GTO 72 model. It has the correct engine code WK engine in it, with a 4-speed manual transmission. 400 engine, 4-speed manual transmission. That's how the car was born, with a 4-speed and a 400. And the gentleman told me it is the correct engine for the car. I don't know, I didn't look at the numbers on it, but I can tell you that the code is correct on the engine block. It is a WK, and that's what this car is supposed to have. So you can see the paint on this car is very, very nice. The body is super straight. The interior is all new. New seat covers, carpeting, door panels, dash, headliner, sail panels, package tray. Just absolutely gorgeous inside and out. The chrome bumper is brand new. Dual exhaust with the quad tips. Trunk's all done, spatter painted, spackle painted. Jack instructions. There is a whole file full of paperwork and receipts, and there's a couple CDs in there, and just a bunch of stuff, bunch of paperwork for the car in that folder. Got the high spoiler on it. I just love the 72s. 72s they have to be one of my favorite years. I've always been see all this stainless trim and bright work around the glass is all in great shape. All the glasses in this car is in great shape. I guess I like the hoods and the front ends on these cars because, I mean, I've seen so many 68, 9s, and 70s, and I like these 72s. I think they're really, really sharp. Put a set of these 17-inch PMD alloy Rally 2 wheels on it. I think that really sets this car off. They look gorgeous on this thing. Like I say, you can see the paint, the jams, everything is just beautiful on it. Back seat's in great shape. All the seat belts are there. It's got the full gauge package. 4-speed on the floor, as you can see. Factory center console. Clock works. Neutral safety switch works. Left turn, right turn. That tack out there works. Hood tack, horn. Blower motor. Wipers. Cigarette lighter. Yep, it's hot. License plate light, tail lights. I got flashers on. You just see how nice it is. Look at the quality of the paint. Beautiful. Power steering and brakes, disc brakes on the front. these suspension parts when they built this car as well. All new trailing arms in the back, new dual exhaust, Flowmaster mufflers. What a beauty. Stripes on it. I like them stripes on it. I think they really set this thing off. Very nice, clean, quality car. Doors open and shut nice. Body panels alignment is very, very nice on it as well. This will be the first time I've driven this car. I mean, I drove around the parking lot and stuff, but this will be the first time I've driven this car down the highway, so. I'm sure it rides and drives just like it looks. Shift down, up and down through the gears, perfect. E-brake works. Just an absolute beautiful 72 Pontiac GTO. If you're looking for one, give us a call. 563-452-2450. www.KinionAuto.com. K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day. So give us a call and we'll put this beautiful 72 in your garage. From our showroom floor to your garage door.